How to make delicious pizza at home easy recipe. Step 1. Craving pizza? Let's make it at home, easy, tasty, and fresh. In a bowl, mix 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1/2 tsp salt, and 3/4 cup warm water. Add a spoon of oil and knead into a soft dough. Cover and let it rise for 1 hour. Step 2. Mix tomato paste or crushed tomatoes with garlic, oregano, salt, and a pinch of sugar for the perfect sauce. Step 3. Roll out your dough, spread the sauce, sprinkle cheese, and add your favorite toppings. Step 4. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until golden and bubbly. Your homemade pizza is ready. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.